What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, I want to ask y'all a question, man, and I'm pretty sure y'all have noticed this too. What's going on with the Hemi, man? What's going on with these motors? Everybody's blowing their motors. Racer X done blew his motor. I'm looking around on YouTube. A lot of people with the 23 Hellcats. Hold on, y'all. I'm downtown DC, bro. This traffic out of control. A lot of folks with the new, any 23 Dodge is having issues, bro. Come on, man, stay on your side. So, I mean, what is it? Because I'm kind of shocked that so many people are having issues with their cars. And, you know, a lot of people talk trash to me when I decided to get a 300. And, I mean, I didn't know what the quality of the build was going to be when I got my 300. I mean, I would have thought I would have been having the same issues as everybody else who bought a 23 anything. But so far so good. And but man, Racer X, that's the thing that bothered me. That's the thing that's bothering me, is the fact that he blew his engine. But let me say this about Racer X, because, you know, guys, I watch people's videos and I read their comments. Man, there's a lot of people talking so much trash in that man's comments. It's unbelievable. Telling him, you know, his car is junk. He should have stayed with the Mustang. He don't know how to drive. Bro, it's just bad, man. It's like, why do people follow you if they want to down you and talk trash? But I know it's the internet, and if you don't understand, I'm pretty sure Racer X understands this. But that's just how it works when you putting your stuff online. People are going to make comments. Not everybody's going to agree with what you're doing. But it's terrible what they doing in that man files, his comments and what's going on with his car. It's a car, bro. It's not that serious. Things are going to break. But I will give it up to Racer X, because he actually took the car out and did what it's supposed, and drove it like it was supposed to be driven. You got to get a man credit for that. As soon as he got that car, he went right at it. Didn't waste no time. But you got other people that's babying the cars, not even driving them. Especially now, I think a lot of people scared to drive their car because they don't want the backlash if something happens. So you got to give Racer X props, man. Even though his car blew up, that's not his fault. All he's doing is driving it. People saying that man don't know how to drive. It's unbelievable, bro. It's unbelievable. But he's not the only one. I'm just seeing a lot of people having problems with these cars. I don't know what happened to these 23s. But Dodge, man, they in some serious trouble, guys. Serious trouble. They got the lots full. The cars are just rusting out. And then there's some dealers still have the nerve to be trying to charge markups for these cars. And it's unbelievable. Unfreaking believable, man. Luckily for me, my 300 has been holding up. I haven't had any issues as far as like mechanical. Nothing is starting to come loose. You know, a lot of times with these Chrysler products, you have like parts of the body that starts to, you know, come loose, like around the bumper and stuff like that. You'll see parts of the body start to detach. I have not had that issue yet. I haven't heard of anybody having that issue with a 23. You know what, guys? I'm gonna open up this panoramic. See, this is one of the reasons why I wanted a 300 for stuff like this. Now, how can you hate on that, guys? How can you hate on that? No shade to my Hellcat folks, but this is the stuff I wanted, man, right here. But anyway, man, so I don't know, guys. First, it was just the Hemi tick. You know, people having problems with the Hemi tick. But now that the engine just blowing up entirely, just whole motor done. Now, granted, I'm not driving this car like Racer X was driving that Demon, but I'm driving it. Believe that, I'm driving this joint. Dodge got to figure this stuff out. They got to figure it out, because it seems like every last Demon is having problems. I heard Demonology was having problems with his car, but they saying he's not showing the issues he's having with his car. Maybe, maybe not, but I tell you what, he driving the heck out of that car. He is driving the heck out of that Demon. That's making it harder for people to even want to buy one of these cars. especially if you overcharging for it. It's just amazing how back in the day you can buy, I mean, 3-4 years ago, you could buy a Scat Pack, a base model Scat Pack, in the like 40s, like around 42,000. Now a base model Scat Pack, I'm talking about with no sunroof, no leather seats, no navigation. Now they charging 50,000 for one of those. Come on, man, what are y'all doing, bro? But as soon as you drive it off the lot, you're having problems. So it's just crazy. So leave your comments, guys. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Is there anything I need to be looking for? Because as of right now, I don't have any issues. But guys, I am about to take the car to get the oil change. It's time for an oil change. I think my oil life is at like 15%. I usually take it at 20, but I just been so busy, man. I haven't even had time to take this car to get the oil change, to be honest. And like I told y'all before, I take my car to the dealer and get the oil change. I ain't about to change no oils myself, especially now, the way things are going on. Come on, man. The way things are happening to these cars, I be there, ain't no way I'm about to change my own oil. And I take it to the dealership and something go wrong, they be telling me because I changed my own oil, they not gonna honor my warranty and all. I'm not going to do all this. It's not that serious to me. I don't care about not changing my own oil. I can care less about that. It's all about a history with the dealership, a service history. Because in my RT, when my drive shaft went out, because I took my car to the dealership for every single service, they fixed that for free. They fixed it for free. Because that's a known issue with the RTs, is the drive shaft will go out. You will mess up the drive shaft. Especially when I was driving my RT. I was doing donuts, burnouts. I was driving that car hard. And they still fixed it because when they went back, I called Chrysler, I called Dodge, and they gave me a case manager. And they pulled up my service history and they fixed my car for free under warranty. And my car was out of warranty. It had been out of warranty for like 20,000 miles out of warranty. And they still fixed it. So I hear people saying, oh, I changed my own oil and you had a man if you don't change your own oil. Hey, back in the day, yeah. But now, I ain't fooling with it. It's just too much. It's just not worth the risk. You know what I'm saying? It's just not worth it to me. But I really hope Dodge can figure out what's going on, guys. Leave your comments, man. Y'all having any issues with your 23s? I know all the older cars, I say from 2017, 2018 on up, people not having the same issues that these 23s are having. You know what I'm saying? But these new cars, it seems like everybody having engine problems, wear and tear problems. You know, just this little Honda trying to rev his engine, having problems with the interior, like stuff falling apart, and I'm not having those issues. You know, I would tell you guys, this 300 is holding up well. And I've been driving this car lately, guys. I've been driving my 300. The last couple of weeks, I've been daily driving this car. My wife got my Camry where she's working, and the things that she's doing, it's like an hour and a half from where we live. So it just don't make sense for her to drive the BMW, but she can just drive the Camry. So she's been driving the Camry. I've been driving my 300, guys. And I will say, I'm enjoying driving this thing every day. You know what I'm saying? I haven't had any issues. So leave your comments, guys. What y'all think it is? You think Dodge just rushed these 23s because they want to just get them out of inventory to force everybody to buy them daggone EVs? This is a quick video, guys. Just like I said, sometimes I just like to turn the camera on and just talk about what's on my mind. Man, that's another thing I noticed, man. The YouTube, man. I'm a big YouTube watcher, guys. I watch everybody. I watch everything on YouTube. And a lot of the guys that I watch, man, when I first got on YouTube that had Dodge vehicles, they don't even make content with the cars no more. And now it's just all about getting views. They're doing whatever gets views. And I understand it. I get it. You know, there's nobody's using any of the functions in the car. I have yet to see anybody, like, where everybody at? What are y'all doing, man? You know, it's just wild, it's just wild, guys. But I get it, man, because don't nobody watch the videos. When I make videos using launch control and this and that, nobody watch this stuff, guys. So I get it. I kind of get it. But I'm going to continue doing what I do, man. I bought this car for a reason, and I'm going to drive it, and I'm going to use the function, and I'm going to put it on YouTube. That's just what I do, you know. But I appreciate you guys watching. Leave your comments, man. What y'all think about the 23s? Y'all think they were poorly built? They were rushed? Do you think Dodge even cared? Because these demons, man, you know, the price is starting to come down. People having problems with them. I mean, it's unreal. It's unreal. I don't know how Dodge is going to recover from this stuff, guys. I really don't. So, again, leave your comments. Appreciate y'all watching. See y'all on the next one. Peace.